Aadhaar-based services because of this digital infrastructure. This is an investment that Jio has made to create a powerful physical plus digital capability for supporting a variety of offerings into the future. It gives me great satisfaction that we have fulfilled our promise to make the onboarding experience for Jio users as simple and delightful as possible. My second example is voice interconnection with existing telecom operators. While customers have shown unprecedented love for Jio services, we have not received the required support from our existing operators. In the last 3 months, nearly 900 crore voice calls from Jio customers to the networks of our 3 largest operators were blocked. The benefits of Jio's superior voice technology have been denied to Indian customers due to such anti-competitive behavior of incumbent operators. Through all this, Jio has been a tireless champion for Indian customers and their right to free high-definition voice services. Given the gravity of the situation, the authorities have intervened and instructed all operators to provide sufficient interconnection capacity. We thank the government and the regulator for enforcing the license conditions. While we have started getting points of interconnect, we continue to monitor this capacity so that the Jio voice calling experience remains superior. Over the past months, the call block rates have come down from over 90% to nearly 20% as of yesterday. We are working with all our fellow operators to ensure that in the coming weeks, this will come below the specified grade of service, which is 0.2%. I want to reiterate that Jio is committed to ensuring that all domestic voice calls by Jio customers will be flawless and free. Friends, my third example relates to enterprise and high-end customers. Most of these users do not want to give up their existing phone numbers. I am happy to inform that Jio now fully supports mobile number portability, and all customers can retain their existing number when they migrate to Jio. And we have gone a step further. We have recently introduced home delivery of Jio SIMs so that these customers who are often too busy to visit a store can get a Jio SIM home delivered. And once delivered, the Jio SIM can be activated in 5 minutes through eKYC. This feature is being progressively launched across India through the MyJio application and will be available in the top 100 cities by 31st December 2016. My fourth and final example relates to network speed. Jio's network is built for capacity and speed. But with 52 million customers taking full advantage of the free Jio Welcome offer, we faced a few issues with data speeds on our network. About 8% of Jio towers have experienced congestion due to abnormally high data usage. As a result, customers served by these towers have experienced lower data speeds. While 92% of our towers and customers have been experiencing consistently high data speeds, we are not satisfied. We are working to decongest these 8% towers so that the impacted customers go back to experiencing true 4G speeds. On the whole, Jio is not only delivering 4 times more data than all other Indian telecom operators combined, but we are also delivering much higher speeds than any other mobile network in India. And we are striving to improve it even further and to live up to the expectation of every single Jio customer. Ladies and gentlemen, I am grateful for all your feedback over the past 3 months. We take your inputs very seriously. Jio is and will remain a customer-obsessed organization. During our last interaction, I promise that we will not sit back until we have provided the best customer service and experience to all Jio customers. Because of inadequate availability of points of interconnect from other operators, I believe we are yet to deliver on this promise. But with the imminent availability of sufficient points of interconnect from other operators over the coming weeks, I am confident that Jio customers will be able to experience a flawless voice experience. On behalf of the over 60,000 Jio employees, our 5 lakh retailer and technology partners, I commit that we will work 24/7 to co-create a service experience that you will enjoy and love, and we will execute flawlessly. With this humble reflection, I want to announce today that starting 4th of December 2016, every new Jio user will get Jio's data, voice, video, and the full bouquet of Jio applications and content absolutely free till 31st March 2017. We are calling this the Jio Happy New Year offer. During this offer period, Jio and Jio customers will be able to continue our journey of co-creating and building the best network experience together. All our existing 52 million users will continue to enjoy the unlimited benefits of Jio Welcome offer till 31st December 2016. And on New Year's Day, all Jio Welcome offer users will also be automatically signed up for the Jio Happy New Year offer. That's right, no need to purchase a new SIM. This will be done automatically. All existing Jio customers will get the extended benefits of the Jio Happy New Year offer till 31st March on their current SIM card itself. Friends, the Jio Happy New Year offer incorporates a lot of our learnings from our Welcome offer. For instance, we have noticed that 80% of Jio users consume less than 1 GB of data daily. 1 GB per day is still a substantial amount of data. In fact, it is 30 times the average usage on other networks. But the other 20% of users consume disproportionately higher amounts of data, and we have observed that this disproportionate usage contributes significantly to the congestion that I mentioned earlier. In short, 20% of the users create a poor experience for the other 80%. So in the Jio Happy New Year offer, we have fine-tuned our fair usage policy to ensure that all users get a fair share of Jio's network capacity. During this period, Jio customers will also be able to test drive Jio's digital recharge and billing experience, especially using the Jio Money Wallet. So under the Jio Happy New Year offer, Jio customers will get 30 times the average usage on other networks absolutely free till 31st March 2017. All the details of the Jio Happy New Year offer are available on MyJio as well as on Jio.com. Friends, today I want to congratulate and applaud our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for his bold and historic decision to demonetize old currency. By doing this, our Prime Minister has given the strongest possible push to the growth of a digitally enabled, optimal cash economy in India. This decision is an important step in his ongoing efforts to change the mindset of the people of India. Digitally enabling transactions will help to create a fair, just, transparent, and a strong India and Indian economy. It will bring unprecedented accountability at every level. I believe that the common people will be the biggest beneficiaries of this change. Every Indian will have a digital ATM in their hands, which they can operate whenever and wherever they want. No more will they have to travel and stand in queue for train tickets, bus tickets, movie tickets, to pay their bills for utilities, or to deposit and withdraw money from banks. Time saved is money earned. Therefore, I am absolutely confident that a digitally enabled economy will help India become stronger and every Indian become even stronger. Once again, I would like to join my fellow Indians in congratulating our Honorable Prime Minister for this historic decision that implements his vision of digital India and lays a strong foundation for the Indian economy. With one single step, he has brought all the unproductive money into productive use. This will enhance credit flow in the economy, and legitimate credit is the fuel that powers the engine of economic growth. So far, credit in our country has mostly been high value and low volume. Digital enablement has laid the groundwork for broad availability of low value, high volume credit. This will provide credit to our farmers, small shopkeepers, traders, and daily wage earners. Friends, all of us at Jio are enthusiastically committed to making this transition smooth for every Indian across the country. Today, with the Jio Money application, every Indian has access to a digital money wallet that is linked to their bank account. One of the key drivers for adoption of digital money and the cashless way of living is people's ability to convert physical cash into digital cash and vice versa. In order to make this possible, Jio Money is rapidly expanding its reach to millions of touchpoints where Aadhaar-based micro ATMs will be deployed. Friends, to enable digital transactions, merchants, especially small merchants, are an important component of our economy. To fuel their transactions, Jio is working to empower Indian merchants by building a digital retail ecosystem which we are calling Jio Money Merchant Solutions. This will enable digital transactions of all types, whether they be at mandis, small shops, restaurants, railway ticket counters, for bus and mass transit, and even for person-to-person money transfers. Starting 5th of December, every merchant can download the Jio Money merchant application. Customers use their Jio Money wallets to pay merchants from their bank accounts, and merchants use the Jio Money merchant application to accept these payments directly into their bank accounts. Using the Jio Money merchant application, merchants can also make supplier payments, transfer money between his bank accounts, and use digital petty cash. Jio Money is focused on signing up over 10 million small merchant retailers in the coming weeks across 17,000 towns and the 4 lakh villages it operates in. With this, the Jio Money ecosystem will be a committed and enthusiastic partner for the smooth implementation of our Honorable Prime Minister's game-changing vision of creating a digitally enabled and strong Indian economy. Friends, in 3 short months, Jio and India have together crossed a number of important milestones and are well on our path to achieving global digital leadership. 2017 will be the 17th year of India's freedom. On this occasion, I humbly submit the Jio Happy New Year offer to the nation and wish that each and every one of you make the most of it. As always, we keenly look forward to your constructive feedback and to co-create the best network experience in the world. Thank you for trying Jio. Thank you for using Jio. Thank you for improving Jio. And finally, thank you for loving Jio. We hope that with Jio, your life is digital and your life is beautiful. I wish you a very good evening and a happy, prosperous and digital 2017. Thank you. Good.